Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Google Drive notification or sharing option not working. First of all, check the settings, go to search bar and then search for notifications, and then scroll down, look for Google Drive, and then see if you have allowed notification. You can also toggle the sounds and the badges options on. Next, you are going to check the Drive app permissions and ensure background app refresh is on. Next, go ahead and open your app store and then search for Google Drive, and then make sure you have updated your app to the latest version. Safety tip: turn off all notification for share files you don't need to avoid accidental opens in public. Quick fix: use the share link from the desktop or Safari if the app's sharing UI is broken. And that's it. Subscribe for more fixes and tutorials.